Introducing the EMP Automatic Hydraulic Leveling System, designed specifically for European caravans with low ground clearance. With the press of a button, 6 hydraulic supports lower smoothly, lifting and leveling your caravan in under 2 minutes. No heavy lifting, no uneven floors, no wasted time. Just a level caravan ready for you to relax and enjoy your trip. At RV Services, we fit the EMP system so you can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your journey.